Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is insulin, the hormone that lowers blood glucose. By the end of this video, you'll know where it's made, what it does, and why type 1 diabetics need to inject it. Insulin is a hormone produced by the beta cells in the pancreas. It's released when blood glucose is high, usually after a meal. Insulin causes liver and muscle cells to take up glucose from the blood. It also stimulates the liver to convert excess glucose into glycogen for storage. And the result, blood glucose falls back to normal. 3 things. 1. Insulin lowers blood glucose. Glucagon raises it. Don't confuse them. 2. Insulin works on liver and muscle cells primarily. 3. Insulin is a protein hormone, destroyed by stomach acid if swallowed, which is why type 1 diabetics inject it rather than take a pill. Common slip. Insulin lowers blood glucose. Type 1 diabetics inject insulin before meals to handle the glucose surge from food. Type 2 diabetics still produce some insulin, but their cells respond poorly to it, insulin resistance, managed by diet, exercise, and sometimes medication. Quick example. Eat a big plate of pasta. Blood glucose rises within minutes. Beta cells in the pancreas detect the rise and release insulin. Liver and muscle cells take up glucose. Liver converts the excess to glycogen. Within an hour, blood glucose has returned to normal. Insulin secretion stops. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.